In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Docusign watermark from your documents in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward, but it requires following along carefully as we navigate through the Docusign platform. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage the watermark settings for your electronic documents. To begin, we'll first need to head over to the Docusign website. Open up your web browser and go to www.docusign.com. It's the leading platform for electronic signatures and agreement management, making document processes faster, easier, and more secure. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner and click on the Login button. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your credentials to sign in. In case you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to follow the rest of this guide. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Docusign homepage. This is where all the magic happens, so it's a perfect starting point for our walkthrough. Now move your cursor over to the navigation options and locate the admin button. Click on it to open up a new set of administrative functions. In the admin dashboard, there's a menu labeled Signing and Sending. Click on this option. Here's where we can access the deeper signing configurations that contain the watermark settings we need to adjust. Next, you'll see an option for signing settings. Select that and it will bring up several options that control the signing experience for your documents. Look for signing experience in the list and click on it. This area covers various settings that affect what your document signers will see and experience. Now within these settings, find the watermark configuration option, select it and you're almost there. This is the specific section where we can manage how watermarks appear on your in-progress documents. Finally, you'll see the setting Apply Watermarks to Documents that are still in progress. This option should be checked if you want watermarks to appear and unchecked if you don't. Make your selection, uncheck it if you're looking to remove the watermark, and then save your changes. And there you have it. Removing the watermark in Docusign is all about finding the right setting in the admin dashboard. By following these simple steps, you can customize your document signing experience and maintain a professional look without any unwanted watermarks. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, be sure to check out more of our Docusign guides and tutorials.